Welcome to the Deep Dive.
Great to be here.
Today, we're getting into the latest crypto market analysis. This comes straight from the weekly Vantage Plus article that dropped just today, August 11th, 2025.
Yeah, timely stuff.
Absolutely. So our mission for you, like always, is to pull out those key insights, market sentiment, the critical technicals.
Okay,
Oh, let's unpack this.
sounds good. And it's a really good time for this, you know? The crypto space has seen some pretty significant moves lately.
Definitely.
And this article, I think, gives some sharp clarity on what's happening and maybe what's next.
The article kicks off talking about a, quote, tremendous run to the upside last week. Seems like most coins saw gains, but altcoins really took the lead.
Oh, absolutely. Altcoins have put on an exceptional performance.
Any standouts?
Well, Ethereum, ETH, definitely. It pushed past its high for the year, broke the 4,000 US dollar level.
Wow, 4,000. That's a big psychologically, right?
Exactly. It's not just a number. It signals some real upside momentum. And Ripple, XRP, is also looking pretty strong.
XRP.
Yeah, it looks like it's setting up to push past its previous levels, too. It might even be aiming for a new all-time high.
Okay, quite a story building there with the alts. So let's maybe zoom in a bit. Bitcoin, BTC. It's always the bellwether, isn't it?
It really is. Where BTC goes, often the market follows.
So where's it standing right now, and what are the technicals suggesting for its next big move?
Okay, so Bitcoin is currently trading at 117,414 US dollars. It regained that strong upward momentum starting Thursday last week.
Right.
And the article suggests that the all-time high it set recently, well, that's firmly within reach again.
So a retest, potentially a break.
Could be soon, yeah. And if it breaks that high, it might really ignite a push towards, say, the $130,000 level.
Which could pull the whole market up.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
Reasserting its dominance, kicking off maybe a fresh bullish cycle.
Interesting. Okay, so from Bitcoin's strength, let's swing back to Ethereum. You mentioned it's leading this altcoin charge. What more does the article say about ETH's rally?
Right. ETH is sitting at 4,210 US dollars right now. And that decisive break we mentioned, over $4,000, it strongly suggests more upward pressure.
Makes sense.
And what's really fascinating here, the article points out this move could potentially put ETH on a path towards its November 2021 all-time high.
That would be something. Any potential dips noted?
Well, it does mention a retest of this recent breakout zone could happen. That often happens, actually, and it can attract new buyers.
Right, a pullback.
Yeah, but a significant break below 3,700 US dollars, which would signal negative momentum, that seems pretty unlikely right now based on the analysis.
Got it. Okay, now Ripple, XRP, you said it's got a unique narrative. There was a breakout.
Yes. XRP is trading at 3.31 US dollars. It broke clearly above the 3.05 resistance zone.
Which was a key ceiling for, wasn't it?
It really was. Struggle to get past that. Now, the article notes some observers are talking about targets like 7, even 8 US dollars.
Seriously.
Yeah.
That high.
Well, given its earlier performance this year, the article kind of suggests it's not totally unrealistic, but, and this is crucial,
All right.
it raises a caution. This rise in volatility, it can cut both ways.
The double-edged sword.
Exactly. So even with positive sentiment, maybe helped by the weak dollar, traders need to be cautious. Potential setbacks are always possible. Prices can still drop sharply.
Good reminder. Always manage risk.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, let's touch on Solana, SOL. Been making headlines too.
Yep, Solana trading at 181.36 US dollars. Last week, it managed to climb above its 50-moving average zone.
Which is generally seen as positive, right? Short-term indicator.
Crypto signals good buying interest, a shift to positive momentum, you know. Now, if the market breaks the $200 level,
Then what?
the article points towards an easy target of $250. That level was tested back in 2021 and again this January.
But there's a flip side.
Always. If it breaks back below that 50-moving average, that could signal a sharp decline. So another one to watch closely.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you, our listener? Taking this Vantage Plus analysis as a whole, it seems like a predominantly bullish picture for several major cryptos.
Yeah. Lots of significant price levels in play, potential new highs.
But, and it's a big but, that market volatility we talked about,
Yeah.
it's always there, keeps us on our toes.
Absolutely. And, you know, in a market like crypto, so fast-moving, so volatile, understanding these specific technicals, these fundamentals, it's not just about tracking price points.
It's more about the interplay.
Exactly. It's about discerning that interplay between momentum and risk, which maybe raises an important question for you listening.
Go on.
How might applying this kind of detailed, multifaceted analysis looking at the technicals, the sentiment, the potential risks. Enhance your understanding of other complex information-rich fields, maybe in your own work or just areas you're interested in. Something to think about.